Yes, just 1 second and yes! Best job in the world! Hi there! Ever thought that your current job, with the boss constantly watching over you, might never give you the freedom and financial independence you're after? For a lot of people, freelancing is the ultimate symbol of freedom and independence. No bosses, no layoffs, you work when you want, where you want. For me, I found my perfect field a long time ago. I've been working for myself for 6 years now in finance, specifically in trading. Thanks to trading, I can work from anywhere in the world, making the same income as mid-level IT professional in just a day. Yeah, I know, sounds unreal. But now, let me show you what my typical trading day looks like. Want to reach full financial independence? Then check out my Telegram channel, where you can trade alongside me or even become one of my students. This is how I set up my trading platform before I start. And first we are switching the chart type to candles, and then I'm choosing a 15-second time frame. Okay, for expiration time I go with 1 minute. I'll be entering trades with $4,000. And we are adding two indicators, ADX and RSI. Next, let's adjust these indicators, just follow along. This is super important. Now we're all set to trade. Okay, my first trade here is going short. So here's what's happening. I'm entering this trade expecting the price to drop since we are seeing a downtrend. And both indicators are signaling a price decreasing. Look, our RSI is in the overbought zone, so we're expecting a price drop, plus the IDX indicator is rising, signaling that the price should be heading down. Now we wait for the result. Okay, 25 seconds left. What's happening? Maybe some news came out that fried up the buyers? Oh my god, no, guys, that's a loss. Alright, that happens. Let's keep trading, let's move on. I'm going short again with double the amount on the same pair. Here's why. The price went up quite a bit in the meantime. Buyers are starting to weaken. They can't push the price up forever. The indicators show this too. The RSI is even further into the overbought zone, and ADX is almost maxed out. So let's watch what happens on the chart. Let's wait and see. Yeah, it's going down. Please, no loss at time. Yes. Go down, please. This is intense. I got double position. Oh my god. So close. Yes! We've made up for that previous loss. Okay, guys. Yes, we've made up for that previous loss. But you know, each time is a maximum level of stress. After such intense trades, it's important to take small breaks, even if your last trade was successful. You need to get rid of stress and come back to trading with a clear mind and no emotions. By the way, each time you take a break, feel free to browse the content on my Telegram channel. You'll find plenty of useful information. This time I'm going long. Let's see what's setting up this trade. They see the ADX falling, while the RSI is now in the oversold zone. I hope you see that. Then the RSI is in oversold zone. It's a good sign for a local reversal. So I'm expecting a nice solid price increase along with the uptrend. Let's watch this unfold. Yeah, the price is going up steadily. Let's go, bring in that cash. A solid uptrend means good vibes. I believe in my strategy. Yes, just 1 second and yes, best job in the world.
Well, know we do get $1.35 a day, right?
Best job I ever had.
Best job I ever had.
Best job I ever had.
Okay, going on again. This is a solid upward trend. I can feel it. Just watch. It's simple and works well. The ADX is falling from its high point and our RSI is showing strong overselling. This means the price should start going up from here. I'm expecting a good increase. And let's watch. 30 seconds left. Told you, it's going up. Isn't it great when you can predict the price direction like this? We are seeing steady growth. So beautiful, guys. And yeah, babe! A nice solid win. Psst. Subscribe and like this video. Opening a short position here with double the amount. This is really strong signal. Here's why. You might have guessed it already. Look at the indicators. The ADX is way up and the RSI is in the overbought zone. Yes. And plus the price has climbed a lot and the buyers are starting to lose momentum. Just look at how the green candles are slowing down. All signs point to the end of this local uptrend and the start of a pullback. Perfect, the price is starting to turn. Yes, it's going down. Yeah, come on, keep going. I doubled down. 1 second. Yes. Yes! Both trades are in profit. Guys, this is amazing. If you want to get signals like this and achieve similar results, join my VIP channel. I provide high accuracy signals every day that could help you see impressive results, just like mine. Join in and you can earn alongside me. Freelancing in 2024 could mean a lot of different things. Some people choose design, others go for copywriting or coding, but if you want real freedom, control over your finance and a chance to grow your income like I do, consider taking the path I've chosen. So what will you choose? Comment below with which freelance path interests you the most. Maybe it's the one that could change your life. Bye bye guys and see you soon.